Animals frequently attack one another, sometimes rather viciously. But take a look at this, or this. We have many interesting things ahead, so make yourself comfortable and let's go. The crocodile thought he found an easy prey, but that was clearly a miscalculation. Did you know that an electric eel can strike its attacker with a power of 600 volts? This poor dog was also not aware. This is what happens when you pick an opponent from a wrong weight category. Whereas this is an example of how not to. The dog clearly didn't expect for Marmot's bite to be more painful than the dog's. Not only did this warthog get its butt kicked by a zebra, its friends were not very helpful either.
Oh, cool.
Just listen to these screams. The elephant is lucky that it ended well. This is how you set personal boundaries. The cat decided to mount a horse, but hey, Master Crane, is that really you? This is what happens when you wander into a neighborhood where monkeys are in charge. A lioness was chasing a zebra but didn't account for its strong rear legs. And this lioness clearly picked the wrong prey. I will only ever go to the North Pole with this dog. Not sure what the conflict was between a kudu and a giraffe, but keeping them in the same enclosure was clearly a bad idea. What this marmot must have felt after this encounter with a dog. And this goose finally found a worthy opponent. A snake attacked baby rabbits. Check out the reaction of their mother. This buffalo was surrounded by a pack of lions, but look what he does. If you have some idea why the zebra knocked out a wildebeest, let us know in the comments. This snake slithered into a private yard, and the pit bull clearly didn't appreciate this type of guest. Great job! When you're a small animal, but you feel more dangerous than a pack of lions. This cat doesn't care what to hunt, a mouse or a bear. But this large cat doesn't have the same level of courage. A leopard decided to go after a dog, but thankfully, the dog got lucky this time. A lesson for crocodiles: why you shouldn't eat electric eels. The dogs cornered a little kitten, but they clearly didn't expect things to take such a turn. These two lions were already envisioning a satisfying dinner when suddenly, the herd came to the rescue. Here's Leonardo's training before he became a Ninja Turtle. And it didn't just fight the cows.
I'm gonna get your ass now.
Ever wonder how this epic battle would look in real life? Here you go. How to turn a menacing pit bull into a small, frightened kitten in 1 second. And this is an irrefutable victory.
Look at Randy Orton.
And these are porcupine quills in action. Check out the way they give no mind to the leopard. This crocodile nearly became the prey of a hungry shark. A lion noticed a crocodile nearly while it was out for a swim, but instead of hurrying up, it decided to attack. When you've wandered into a strange neighborhood and you're not very welcome. That's all for today. Tell us in the comments which moment amazed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good luck!